Now we are going to find field due to two parallel plane sheets of charge. Here we have two parallel plane sheets. One is positively charged and other is negatively charged. Electric field due to infinite plane sheet of charge E is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon 0, where sigma is the charge density of the plate. Here we have two plates A and B. One is positively charged and other negatively charged. We have to find the field due to A and B in the region around them. We have divided the region around the two plates as 1, 2 and 3. First we will find the electric field due to A. It is positively charged, so field lines point outwards. So EA is drawn pointing outwards in region 1, 2 and 3. Now we will find the electric field due to B. B is negatively charged, so field lines point towards B. EB is pointed towards B in first, second and the third region. So net field in part 1, E1 is equal to minus EA plus EB. We have taken EA as minus as it is pointed towards the left. So E1 is equal to minus sigma A by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma B by 2 epsilon 0. The second part, E2 is equal to EA plus EB. Both are pointed towards right. So E2 is equal to sigma A by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma B by 2 epsilon 0. In the third region, EA is pointed towards right and EB towards left. So E3 is equal to EA minus EB, that is sigma A by 2 epsilon 0 minus sigma B by 2 epsilon 0. Now let us assume that both the plates are equally charged, that is they have the same surface charge density. So we can take sigma A equal to sigma B equal to sigma. In equation number 1, instead of sigma A and sigma B, we can put sigma. So E1 is equal to minus sigma by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma by 2 epsilon 0, which is equal to 0. E2 equal to sigma by 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma by epsilon 0, that is sigma by epsilon 0. E3 is equal to 0 again. It means that the part 1 electric field is 0. The second part electric field E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. It is positive, so its direction is towards right, that is from positive plate to negative plate. The third region again field is 0. So field is present between the plates from positive to negative and its value is sigma by epsilon 0. Now let us consider another case in which both the plates are negative. Now we can see that in the part 1 E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0, part 2 E is equal to 0 and part 3 E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. We can see that in the part 1 and part 3 E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0 and is pointed outwards from the given plates.